And this is little Isabella, and she's learning how to use her hands. Look at that, she's got one of those little rings. She doesn't know what to do with it yet, though. Got a good little grip on it. And she's trying to figure out how to use it. She's figuring out her left hand. Now she just needs to figure out her right hand. She might be a lefty, who knows? What do you think? Yeah. There you go. Shake it around. Shake it all around. Shake it. Yay! Shake it some more. Yay! Shake it around. Yay! Good job.